clean my makeup room with me. So I'm giving all of this away to 4 people. These are the boxes I get for giveaways because they already have tape on them, so they're super easy to put together. I got this big ass box, and then I got 3 medium-sized boxes because I didn't know if that mirror was gonna fit in it or not. Everybody go and get a face mask. I have to bubble wrap this. Oh my god, look at me. I hope that is safe enough. Wait, is this gonna fit in 4 boxes? Oh no. Everybody's getting a weave. Somebody's gonna need some pads. Everyone's getting a Tarte shade shifter. Don't look at my toes, I need a pedicure. Also, I'm listening to this audiobook while I'm doing it, and this is the best tripod you could ever get because look how skinny it gets. So easy to use. It's on my Amazon storefront. I don't know what I was thinking. This all won't fit in 4, so we're gonna do 5 winners. Wait, choking on cock. Look how much I've done. Do you think we can squeeze him into 5 boxes? Oh, I don't know if he'll fit. You can enter my giveaway on my Instagram. The link is in my bio. Keep going. Yay, more room for activity.